Well, we just got through solving some logarithmic equations by exponentiating both sides, or using exponentiation. And now we're going to solve some exponential equations using logarithms. So we have here on the left 3 raised to the power of x equals 15, and we're looking to solve for the value of x. So we can take the log of both sides. Let's say we got log 3x equals the log 15. And if we use the power property, we can bring the x out front, power property of logarithms, and now write this as x log of 3, common log of 3, equals the common log of 15. And of course now we can just divide both sides by the log of 3, and leaves us with the log of 15 over the log of 3. Now jot that down, because I'm going to go to the calculator and just keystroke it in, just so you'll see it and make sure we all understand how to do it. And so now let me move over here to the next one. So if you see what we did, we're going to do the same thing. For this exponential equation, 6 raised to the power of x equals 42. So we've got the log of 6 raised to the power of x equals the log of 42. Using the power property of logarithms, we bring the log out, the variable out as a coefficient to the log of 6 equals the log of 42. And x is going to equal the log of 42 over the log of 6. And again, jot that one down, and we're going to move over to the calculator and let the calculator do some work for us. All right, so we're over here on the calculator, and we're going to use it to solve the 2 guided practices there in example 3, page 493. That's 3a and 3b. And 3a, of course, was started off at 3 raised to the power of x equals 15. And we took the log of both sides. We used the power property of logarithms, and that left us with x equals the log of 15 over the log of 3. So to finish solving this, we're just going to hit log 15 divided by the log of 3, and hit enter. And I think we're supposed to round this to the nearest 10,000th. Yes. So our answer would be 2.4650. That 7 is going to raise round the 9 to a 10, which is going to be a 0 there plus the 1. So we got x is approximately equals 2.4650. That would be rounding it to the nearest 10,000th. Now 3b was 6 raised to the power of x equals 42. We took the log on both sides, ended up with x times log of 6 equals the log of 42. Divide both sides by the log of 6, and we got x is equal to the log of 42 divided by the log of 6. So let's let our calculator do the work for us. So we got the log of 42 divided by the log of 6. Hit enter. And again, we're supposed to round to the nearest 10,000. Well, this is much easier, so it is equal to approximately 2.0860. And there we go. We have used logarithms to solve exponential equations.